Okay, so let's talk about the latest and greatest of what's going on with Shiba Inu. Obviously, crypto is on fire right now and just doing really, really well. In fact, it's 8.8. Let me refresh this real quick. See, yeah, it's continuing to rise. So I've been up recording videos for about 30, 40 minutes. And when I opened up my computer, we were at 7.7. We've risen now to 9.14. Bitcoin up 17+%, just on fire. And SHIB is doing well. It's running pretty hard as well, up 9.3 on the 24-hour, and the volume is up 22+%. Doing fantastic. Obviously, you know that Shibari, the beta test net, is out. That's kind of doing its thing quietly there. And let me take a look at Bone real quick to see where Bone is in direct corollary. I had Bone. Well, okay, let's look it up. All right, Bone. So Bone up about 5.7%. So I'm not expecting Bone to do a lot right now in the short term while we're kind of in the beta of the of Shibarium, and we're probably going to be in the beta for Shibarium now for for at least a couple of months. That's what kind of the overall consensus is there. Now on the other side. Today is a big day. We got the CPI report right here. And it actually was showing as a breaking news. Right here, U.S. futures treasuries, study on inflation data, markets wrap. Okay, so basically what's going on in the CPI report is that it has come out. This is the consumer price index report. That CPI report has come out, and it's showing that it was 6%. Okay, so it's a 6% number, which was the number we were expecting. We were expecting a 6% raise. Now, here's the interesting thing about this. So just on a, for something that you kind of watch for today and into tonight, is that 6% number is the number that we were expecting. So it wasn't a surprise. If it had been 6.1 or 6.2, that probably might have sent crypto down, but and obviously stocks as well. But again, we're really talking about crypto. But the interesting thing about that 6% number is that it's the slowest descent now, or the descent, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get inflation down to 2%. Okay, that's the number that we're working on. Okay, now, so that 6% number is not as aggressive of a descending number as we would want it to be. We would really like it to be 5.7, 5.5, or something like that. It's kind of this monthly number that we're seeing. So what does that mean? It means that the descent is slowing, okay, which is showing that all of the measures that we've done as far as raising interest rates and things like that are still not dramatically impacting that number, right? That 6% number, okay? And so the slow descent. Okay, so again, now what does it mean looking forward to the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting? The Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is happening on March 21 and March 22. And so it's going to show that they're probably going to raise interest rates 50+ basis points. Now, what does this mean to Shiba Inu? This means to SHIB that the overall market as of right now, wow, it's on fire. It's just crushing it. Now we're at 11.2%. Goodness gracious. It means that as we roll along, number one, Shiba Inu is going to roll with everything else, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, etc. Okay, it is going to roll with them. And it will be impacted by whatever happens with the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting coming up on March 21, 22. So obviously crypto is not even slowing on this CPI report that we got today, which is good news. It was kind of interesting to see what the markets would react, how the markets would react. So they're not reacting in a negative way at all as of the recording of this video. Later today, we could see a little bit, but usually what happens is if you get that report, you see that you kind of see that sell off almost immediately, right? So so SHIB, it's that's the latest. Shibarium doing its thing. Price action for Shiba Inu token going really, really well. Bone up about 5.5+%. CPI number has come in. Seems to really not be having any type of an impact on crypto at all, and we'll continue to see how it rolls along today. That's what I got for you. Have a good one. Take care.